My name's Hank Woodward. I'm the owner of Ceramic Pro Daytona. You know, my grandpa got me into cars. We actually built a 1962 Ford F100 together when I was 14, 15 years old, and I still have that car, but that's kind of what got me into this industry and kind of sparked my passion for it. I've got two. One's kind of really unrealistic. It's a 1980s Dodge. Take the body, put it on top of a brand new Cummins engine frame, and then a dually mega cab would be mine. I think when we started, you know, it was just me and my brother. Now we have 6 or 7 people in total at 2 locations. So watching everybody grow and seeing all the different cars and work that we put out, that's probably the best part.